Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions. I do have a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. Okay, let's get to the battle of the bots. ChatGPT versus Google Gemini, the ultimate AI showdown. Let's set up some background here. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, Google Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT remain at the forefront, transforming our interaction with technology. Both platforms have recently undergone significant upgrades, prompting a new comparison to determine which is the superior chatbot. This face-off will exclude image generation and focus solely on the free version, GPT-3.5 and Gemini Pro 1.0. So let's talk first about a coding challenge. The first round tested each AI's ability to write a Python script for tackling personal expenses. I challenged them to not only generate functional code, but also ensure it was user-friendly and adhere to coding standards. Google Gemini slightly outperformed ChatGPT by providing additional functionality and more detailed reporting, taking an early lead in the face-off. Next, we're going to talk about natural language understanding. So next, I tested how each AI understands and responds to complex natural language prompts using a cognitive reflex test question. Both AIs handled the task well, but ChatGPT excelled by presenting its reasoning more clearly, tying the score 1-1. Next, let's talk about creative writing. The creativity test involved composing a short story set in a futuristic city, a task demanding high creativity and adhering to given themes. Although both chatbots performed admirably, Google Gemini's narrative was slightly more compelling and true to the set rubric, nudging it again once ahead and above ChatGPT. Next, we dig into some logical reasoning. For reasoning capabilities, the AIs faced a classic puzzle involving two doors guarded by one truth teller and one liar. Both AIs successfully navigated the challenge, but ChatGPT provided a clearer and more detailed explanation, earning it another point. So at this point, they're tied 2-2. So next, I had them go for simplification for understanding. The Explain Like I'm 5 challenge required simplifying the concept of airplane flight for a young audience. Gemini's approach, which included bullet points and a practical experiment, proved more engaging for young minds, showing its strength in audience-appropriate communication. So that put it ahead 3-2. Next, we'll dig into how they handled ethical decision-making. In the ethical reasoning round, both AIs were asked to consider a dilemma involving an autonomous vehicle. Gemini's response was more nuanced, showing deeper consideration of the ethical complexities, which won it in this round. Next, we dug into translation and cultural nuances. The translation task involved conveying the cultural essence of Thanksgiving from English to French. Gemini's translation captured more subtle cultural nuances, demonstrating its superior handling of cross-lingual understanding, which I would expect from Google. Next, we'll dig into the knowledge retrieval and application. Both AIs were tested on their ability to retrieve and apply knowledge about the Rosetta Stone. This round ended in a draw, as both provided comprehensive and clear explanations without any insights. So after 9 rigorous rounds, Google Gemini won with a score of 6-4. While both AIs showed strength in different areas, Gemini demonstrated slightly better performance in the majority of the categories. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a great discussion, so make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love training software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions. So reach out because we'd love to help. Hit the links down below or check out startuphack.com today.